So hi guys, dumating na yung binili kong libro last year ng November. Yung pre-order, my first ever book na binili using my hard-earned money. Sobrang laki niya. Last year ko pa to hinihintay nung April pa talaga, pero may scratch. That's a big red flag right there. I mean, okay, let's open this one. Hindi naman masyadong special yung binili ko, but ang laki. Feeling ko may freebies ito. May freebies ito. Ma, scissor nga. Ma. Wait lang guys, I'm gonna go grab the scissor. Ma, the scissor. Nabababain na anak dito yun eh. Okay. Let's open this one. And aray ko. Ouch. And I'm playing. Wait lang. I'm gonna click this one. And I'm playing. You know. Oh my gosh, ads pa talaga. Get out of here. Mystery of Love by Sufjan Stevens. I don't know if that's the correct pronunciation, pero yeah. My gosh, it's really hard to open kasi sobrang laki niya. Oh my gosh, sobrang ilang dagok pa yung nangyari sa buhay ko bago nakarating tong librong binili ko last year, November. Ang tagal kong hinintay. Iniisip kong i-cancel na lang pero ayoko. I mean, I work hard for this. And then i-cancel ko lang. Oh my god! Ouch! Aray! Oh, it's open already. Sino bang nag-manage nito at ang careless. So mad. Tingnan nyo, oh, lukot-lukot siya. Makakaasar. So let's open this one. I'm so excited. I'm gonna cry. No, for real. It's just the book. Akala ko may kaya sobrang laki, pero it's just a book. At least may paglagyan na ako. And then let's open this one. Ito na yung book itself. Try ko. Oh my gosh, I hope hindi ko na kon yung libro. Oh my gosh, shit. Bawal para magmura. Oh my gosh, there's so much bubble wrap. I hopefully hindi ko matamaan yung cover. I would cry. I would cry. Woo! Oh my god. My first ever book. Oh my gosh. Ma, tingnan mo ah. My first ever book. Book ko. Using my hard-earned money, pinambili ko. Oh my god, hinintay ko to ng ilang months. November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. 9 months. Kung bukas to dumating, 10 months kong hinintay, di ba? Oh my gosh, I cannot. So pretty. Ayokong buksan. Like, ayoko talaga siyang buksan. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't. I really can't. Parang ayoko siyang buksan. I don't want this to. Oh my gosh. so pretty, guys. Okay, let's... And so what to do next? Unboxing, and then yeah. So very much 90% bubble wrap to protect the book. The book itself is hindi naman siya na-damage. Actually, good naman siyang dumating. So bubuksan ko lang siya, and I'm gonna take some pictures and post this on FB and IG. Sa Facebook page namin ng Strawberry and Cigarettes. Ang laki niya. To be honest, it's so big. Kasi normal book is half lang. Dito lang siya. It's my first ever book, to be honest. Diba? Perfect siya. With my Mystery of Love, and it's also BL. Diba? So, nakaka-relate tayo. Pero yung isa pending, ito hindi. Foreshadowing. Hindi. So, yeah. That's the video. So, I hope you like the video, guys. I-edit ko pa siya. Siguro mamaya, i-edit ko pagkatas ng lahat. I-edit ko siya. I'm gonna post this. Guys, I'm really... I cannot believe. Okay, let's read yung nasa back page. They say that happy-go-lucky people bear their deepest pain behind smiles. Maverick Evander, an architecture student, is entangled in a web of uncertainty brought on by his parents' decision to separate. Beneath his nainis ako sa pronunciation ko, his playful image in well-known loud circle, he carries a facade of a mystery no one can ever decipher. How do you read someone who is just a blank page? That's how engineering student Raid Archel Tejano sees Maverick, a blinding sun he can only gaze upon. And the more he tries to solve the puzzles in Maverick's mind games, the more Maverick's walls to him. Will Raid be able to break through someone who is already broken? Will Maverick surpass someone when he is the one who is falling? In a game where one must win, both of them fall hard. 18 plus readers. You know, if you know, you know, guys, sa Wattpad. Yung prologue pa lang nito, if you know, you know. Oh my gosh. Baikan pala, yung nag-produce nito is Libo or Wikipedia sa Shopee. Actually, I got this for 430. Yung original price niya is 500. Nakuha ka siya nung naka-sale. Diba? Hindi ako nakasali sa 100 dedication. So, I'm so mad. At least may pirma ng author. Okay. Gusto niyo mapakita ko yung pirma ng author? Where's the one? Where's the... Asan yung ano? Wait. Ayokong baka ma-damage. Ito. Ano ba yan? Baby, you know by now. Wait lang. Lobat na ata yung phone ko. Hindi ba? Baka mag-shutdown kasi. Wait, guys. I cannot open. I'm having a hard time. So, habang binubuksan ko, fun fact. Nagsimula ako magbasa ng Wattpad nung nung lockdown nung 2020. I'm not really interested sa mga stories, pero nagkaroon ako ng interest nung lockdown nung sa FB, yung wala pa kaming wifi. Tapos may nakikita akong story sa FB, binabasa ko siya gabi-gabi. And then, nung nagka-wifi kami, nag-move ako sa Wattpad. And then, doon ako na-addict talaga. Natutulog na lang ako ng alas 5 ng umaga. Nagpupuyat ako para lang makabasa, diba? And then, ngayon, oh my God! Ma! 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 Freebies. Oh my gosh! Ang gwapo ni Raid. This is my asawa ko, ma. Asawa ko. Asawa ka nga, Rodney, kahit fictional lang siya, kahit hindi siya totoo, asawa ko siya. And then, okay, labas natin yung freebie niya. Okay, sino to? Si Raid ba to? Hindi siya si Raid, si Maverick to kasi may dimple siya, si Maverick. Ang cute ni Maverick, yung dimple niya. And then, of course, the spider scene in the backseat of the car. And then si Raid. Ang gwapo niya. Ang gwapo niya. Ganyan yung mga gusto kong asawa eh, yung tatangkad. And then, ito yung book. Ano nang tawag doon? Yung book. Yung iniipit kung para hindi mo makalimutan yung page. I don't know, I forgot. And then, what is this one? Sana may, ano ba yan? Sana may message yung author, wala. So, it's just a, ano to? I don't really know this one. Maybe a picture. Oh my gosh. Ang gwapo. I could not ask for more, guys. And then, oh! Yung pirma ng author, guys. The one and only. The one and only. Yung pirma ng author, guys. Ayoko siyang buksan. I'm scared. And then, andito yung special chapter. I don't want to read it yet. Gusto ko mamayang gabi. Pag matutulog ako. Oh my gosh, guys. Amoy cream paper. Amoy cream paper talaga siya. Oh my gosh. Yung perma ni author, wala lang siyang dedek, pero kwan. Wala lang siyang dedication and andito din yung yung playlist nila sa Spotify. Here. So, mamaya pagpapasahin ko to, I'm just gonna play the song. So, para ma-feel ko yung moment. For Raid and Maverick is Sanctuary. Okay, I'm gonna post that one mamaya. Saan dito yung kwan? Cigarettes. Ay, yun yung wrong spelling. Oh my gosh! Ang gwapo! Ang gwapo! Para na akong mahihimatay. Ang ganda. I'm so satisfied. I really, sobrang ganda, guys. It's my first ever book. It's my first ever book, guys. So, di ko, ang problema ko lang, hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya pipicturan. And anong background ko. I don't know, baka yung ulus ko na lang, tapos ipapatong ko, and then yun, napipicturan ko mamaya. Oh my gosh, I can't. I can't. So, that's all, guys. Bye.